little artists! Welcome back to our art lessons. Today we will be exploring new exciting technique, acrylic paint pouring. And instead of canvas we will be using an ordinary pumpkin. Are you ready for the Halloween? Mix 1 pot of paint with 2 parts of PVA glue, and then if it's too thick and paint doesn't run down, add some water, but very carefully so it's not too liquid. The mixture should be liquid enough to run down, but not too liquid to be able to stay on the surface. Let's get started!
Yeah.
So we have 3 colors: white, black and orange.
Yes.
All 3 are mixed with PVA glue. Which color do you choose?
Black. Black.
You take this paint and just pour straight on top of the pumpkin. That's about it. Now let's take white paint.
Mommy, what are you doing?
This type of art called abstract art. Paints drawing everything by itself. I think it's beautiful. I love it. And a bit of orange. That's delicious. I love it. Shall we add a little bit more black?
Yeah.
A little bit more of black.
There's more.
Looks so delicious.
Yeah, it's falling down.
It's beautiful.
It's falling down.
Running down.
Yeah, running.
The color is really liquid, but not too liquid to hold on to the pumpkin. What do you think? Shall we add some more black?
Yeah.
Do you want to try it yourself? Pour on top like this. It's dripping down.
Oh yes, it is.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to add some orange together?
Yeah.
Take the cup. It's nice. If you like what we are doing here, you can support us from as little as 1 coffee a month. There is a Patreon link in the description below. Well, little artists, I hope you enjoyed learning this new technique. You can't go wrong with it. Whatever you do with it, it's great. I can't wait to see your paintings. Shall we call it pumpkin paintings? Please send them to our Facebook group. See you at our next art lesson. Bye, little artists. Keep on creating.